Fari, what's going on?
I'm good. Let me cut off the audio here.
Okay, he's going to
Let's
turn up
see.
the audio.
What's going on? I'm good. There we go. Are we on the air yet?
Yeah, we're on the air. We are live right now, and there are so many
Bravo.
earnings reports here, Fari. We don't even know.
Well, we got 3 trades today. Coming up. We got Xbox, right? We got Apple, Amazon, and we got Baidu. So, as I offered to people on Stocks and Jocks, if you send us an email by noon, tell us which one you want. We'll send you that trade live, so you can get in before the report. Xbox, Baidu, or Amazon. Your choice. We'll send you one.
Okay, that sounds good.
And it's on our Twitter handle. It's Hamzei Analytics. You'll see the email. Add me at Hamzei Analytics. We're very transparent. More than happy to let you ride with us. Speaking of riding, have you seen FB? I mean, my question to myself was
crazy. Are you getting down and dirty?
I was going to call Mark Zuckerberg and say, what happened? Unbelievable. So the few shekels, I think if I don't give it back on Amazon, I'm ready for sundown on Friday. I have enough shekels with me. So remember, as a Persian American, the first thing your date asks you, what's your balance sheet looks like?
How'd you play Facebook there, Fari?
I chickened out and played the spread. We did 70. I think I sent it to you guys. 72.5 and 77.5 call spread for September, and it's trading at. Murray, what's it trading at now? Hold on. I saw. Hold on. Well, I saw 77, almost 78.
Yeah.
77.09 right now. Up 8%. High of the day, I don't know. I'm going to switch to 24 hours to get the screen. I just walked in, so that was my problem.
Okay, I can get it for you, Fari. We have coming off pretty high. We hit 78.44. So what's your strategy? I mean, you're going to get a lot of juice in that. Are you going to take it, or are you half?
We didn't buy a lot. I think we bought for every $25,000. We bought 5 contracts. So we probably take like 3 out, maybe 4 out, and let one of them run. I usually don't do that, but given this performance. So we have 5. We have 5 for every $25,000 in there of risk capital. We probably take like 3 out, let 2 run. I usually don't do that, but again, given the pattern you see and that kind of expectations that it beat, my thinking is we could see 80 here easily. 81 right now is the hourly 3 sigma.
So you think we can see 80 today?
The big boys haven't come in yet, my friend. The big boys haven't come in. They don't come in until another hour from now.
Hey, Fari,
anything is possible.
Can I get a cup of soup back from you on that? It will see 80 today.
Oh, he wants to make a bet with you, Fari. He's been itching to bet with Facebook.
Wait a second. Let me check with InTrade. See what the line is on that. Because they didn't guess me. Last time it wasn't very good.
He'll go hedge himself over on InTrade. Fari will make it either way.
He's going to hedge.
You know, as a hedgey, you always have to cover yourself on the other side. You got to lay off the risk, right?
That's it. That's
That's what Ace Wrightstein used to do in the casino, remember? That's how you ran the casino. You always have to lay off the risk, so.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'd go a cup of soup. I'd go some Leo's chili against that expensive soup that I bought you. I bought you that crab.
That was very expensive. That was mighty fine. I really enjoyed that. I appreciate that, sir.
And I have to tell people that when I called Shaw's and I wanted to send it over and I gave them a Fari cell number and address, they go, "Oh, we know that address."
Please.
All right.
I don't know if they've ever delivered here, but I go there often, by the way. I don't think they've ever delivered here, but you're very kind. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so what other lotto plays did you have on during earnings? I know you sent the Google.
We missed one. We missed one, which was Netflix. And again, this morning it came up in the other interview, I said, on the other channel, so to speak, I said, guys, I don't know why do I do this. I must be some sort of degenerate form of, all-time worst gamblers. Every time I go to Netflix, I hit it in after the market. In AH, I hit it. It hits my number. So my sense is correct of what they're supposed to do. Next morning, I can't get out because they fell into it, as if they don't even believe it got there. It's like this is a gift. If I don't take this, it's gone. It has no value next day. I gotta get out. So by the time it gets end of the day of actual real trading post ER, the juice is gone. So now I think we have some time on that, so we're gonna let that ride a little bit, and then salvage it or repair it, what have you. But that one we missed. But Apple we hit, Google we hit, FB we hit. Now today it's got two more horsemen, if you will. Remember, FB is joining the four horsemen, so to speak, of NASDAQ, even though FB is not really on NASDAQ. But we have Baidu and we have Amazon. We also have SBOX. Our problem is this. We run a board in our chat rooms that's live. The data feed is attached to Excel, so it marks the position to the market instantly. Okay? The cash, the underlying cash, the spread itself, or long, directional long, and your P&L and percentage and everything right in front of you. And it flashes in front of you, and you open it up, you can see it live. This way it keeps me and my strategists on the ball, and other support team, plus if something comes up, we can see. Our problem is this. The board is full. We have no more room to show another trade. So we have a lot of trades on. Usually we take most of our profits reasonably early because, as you know, decaying asset. When something shoots up like that, chance of you capturing much more is very asymptotic. It's a very low diminishing returns quickly. So the ones we need to work on are the little ones that have a little trouble. You have to repair it, you have to fix it, or it comes to your stop points, your mental stop on an asset itself. Not the underlying, but the premium that you play, whether it's spread or outlier. And you got to get them out. So we have a few items that we got to work on. With the profits you've already taken out, quick. These are some repairs. And then a couple of them that are still not there yet. They're growing. Our problem is we have too much on. And my brokers who execute for us, like on auto trades, they're bitching about it. They're saying that, Fari, how many trades? You never had so many trades on. The good thing is you're very diversified. Good thing is you're not in any trade very big. Our average trade for a $25,000 account is like 2%, 2.5%. We don't put more than that on for a trade, okay? So and we don't do anything naked. So it's always a spread or outright ownership of a call or a put.
Open-ended.
We never had. We don't have any. We will never have margin calls. Let me put it this way. I don't allow this. My strategists know that. This is my ship. Remember Fari Hamzei in Crimson Tide? So this may be the Commander-in-Chief's Navy, but this is my ship. That's the rule. I tell them, here is how you can operate. If you deviate, you're going to be on a hangar deck with your toothbrush.
What do you think of this overall market here, Fari? Because here we are, we're making new all-time highs here again this morning. The buy the dippers continue to be rewarded. We were saying this morning in every time frame, like Facebook actually pulled back on those earnings. If you were buying that 5-minute dip in Facebook, you really got rewarded hard. It's kind of like learned behavior. It's just every time you buy the dip, you're rewarded, and everybody keeps doing the same thing. When does that trend break?
Insanity.
It's
a very first of all, day trading is very difficult, no question. Right now, as you know, we have different chat rooms. Our index room, I'm there 1 hour only. This is the first hour. I'm there. It's in front of me. I can chime in. I can switch my software and get it there quickly. You click and start talking there, or click and right there. But the reality is, I see the room fill up right this time of the day. Coming in for the first hour, busy. 9:30 Chicago time, 10 o'clock Chicago time, they're drifting out. You know why? If history is guide, last few weeks, nothing is happening after the first hour. So that's that. Why? Trading's been very, very difficult. We go to sausage mode pretty much when the IB is finished. IB is the first hour, initial balance. And that's one issue I see. The other issue is, the market, Mr. Market is Mr. Market. Okay? Mr. Market is always right. Try to tell the market what to do. Some prima donna like me who tried to do earlier in my career, all you do is that you burn your hands, okay? It doesn't work like that. So you're better off listening to the market. And what has happened is, we got massive problems in the Middle East. Market doesn't care. We got massive issues in Ukraine. Market doesn't care. You got issues in China. Market doesn't care. At some point, you got to scratch your head and say, wait a second. Are we all comfortably numb, as Led Zeppelin tell us? Something is going on here. At some point, we got to wake up and say, we got issues. Now, what do? Do you bet the farm because this is what you learn at Princeton or Harvard or San Jose State? No, I don't think so. Throw the books out of the window. What you need to do is watch the charts. Trade what you see, not what you think. For now, Dennis, unfortunately, this is the path we're on. Until that tune changes, I'm going to stick to what is working for me right now.
Yeah, yeah.
And then, as you've done, as Joel has done, we keep trying, same formula. But it stops working, then you got to stop. First time you burn your hands, or you pull back and say, "Oh, this." Okay, now we got to maybe there's a trend change. The problem we've had recently is that the last big move we had was the MH17 shoot down, right? Which was last Thursday. A recent short-term bars. If you go back, the big move down we had was April. Okay, and that will come back up again. The thing you got to remember: the first year is in my opinion, first year for any Fed chair has always been very tumultuous. If you go back when Greenspan came in, actually before that, Walker came in. That was the what do you call it, the state of malaise or whatever the peanut farmer was talking about. We had high inflation, high unemployment going on at the same time. So Walker came in, by the way, Princeton guy, don't forget. He came in, then came Greenspan, NYU, oh, jeez. Okay, that was 87 crash. That was his first year. Then, another chair of Princeton economics, Uncle Ben comes in. We had 2007 high. Comes in 2006. 2007 high, we have a market high. And 2008, you know what happened there. And now you got Auntie Jeanette. So I think she went to Berkeley, I think, if I remember. So here's the issue. What is Auntie Jeanette is going to do here? I think she's going to be extremely, extremely careful if history is any guide. The last three presidents she has had, which she has been involved with the Fed all this time, pretty much, and been their student too, or mentored by them in some capacity in her younger life or now, I think they'll be very, very, very careful with what they say, what they do, because the last thing this Fed chair needs is another reset like we've had. Walker was there 1 year when 82 came in, right? And that was not Walker's doing, actually. He had to pull back. He had to shoot up the FF, the federal fund rate up to calm down the inflation. Some of you guys don't remember that. Some of you were in diapers. Some of you were pre-diapers. I don't know. But that was the problem then. And then, of course, Reagan did his massive Doppler curve tax rollback, right? So pull back on taxes. Unfortunately, that creates an immediate recession first. So we made the low of 82, summer of 82, which I remember very carefully. So not trading, but investing for my dad. It was a difficult time in 82. And then, of course, we created the foundation for actually on the VC side, especially VC side, venture capital, that led into 98, 99. Some 15, 17 years later, we saw the results of what Reagan did. But it started initially that bad area. So that was Volcker. You saw 87, you saw 2007. Here it comes at the top of the market, Auntie Jeanette. So it's not an easy period to trade. The other problem we have is this. Also, now, exogenous news. One caveat. Exogenous news will have some impact because we have a constitutional lawyer at the helm who has no idea what's going on, probably writing in his journals now, saying, what did they wanted the second term for? Look, he has been very, very ineffectual in foreign policy, and he's running around raising money because he doesn't know how to handle the foreign policy stuff. So, anyhow, the state of affairs are not good. The Main Street is not doing all that great. It has improved quite a bit, but it's not where it's supposed to be. Look at the young graduates. They're ridden with debt and no income. A lot of them are not in ideal jobs they want, and they have historically highest debt for graduating classes. So that area is not good. But Wall Street is not looking at
Nope.
Main Street like that. It's
Nope.
hunky-dory over in Wall Street.
Honey
Yeah.
Badger market.
Yep. Okay. All right, Fari. Well, thanks for coming on, and hope those trades work out for you for the remainder of the session. I guess we don't have a soup bet on Facebook hitting 80 today. It's okay.
Hold
Fari.
on.
You almost
It's
have him thinking about it.
It's okay, Fari. I mean,
Yeah, I'm looking at
I'd ask
81.
for
Listen,
odds on that. I'd ask for odds. on
81.50.
Be quiet,
Look, 81.
Dennis.
We can do it on Twitter. We'll do it on Twitter. If we do it, it'll be official. Everybody will see it. But I see 81.51 at 3 Sigma. But remember, the darn thing's already up 8%.
Exactly.
Hey,
It's gonna have a hard time
I'll lay odds on the 81.51.
I mean, I remember. I tried to bet like a brain surgeon.
Okay.
So I don't want to be a
No bet.
sucker better.
No bet.
either.
No
So,
bet. You got to
yeah,
either
that's
take
a little
it.
bit too much.
Okay.
You gotta
No
watch
bet.
that, Joe.
No
He'll
bet.
bet
No bet.
sucker.
I'll get Dennis to take one. Okay.
You get tennis.
Okay.
Always
All
suck
right,
his
guys.
dick.
Always a pleasure to be with you.
You're too smart, Fari. Okay. All right. Fari Hamzei Analytics joining us as he does every Thursday at 8:35, giving us his colorful, historical, mathematical look at the markets. We really appreciate it. Thank you, Fari.